Hello student, I hope you all are safe at home. So today we are going to start chapter number 6, Human Resources. So what is human resources? The qualitative human population is called human resources. Now, what is census? Why it is carried out? The process of collecting information and registering details about people living in a country or any particular region of the country is known as census. It is done every 10 years under the regulation of central government. The last census in our country was carried out in the year 2011. It was done for the 7th time after the independence. In the census of 2011, there was a provision of providing a unique ID number and an identity card to every citizen. It was the special feature of the census 2011. So, it is our duty to provide correct information to the government. Now, about the human resources. Human resources is the human capital of our country. The development of a nation depends on its human capital. It is the wealth of a nation. Development of a country depends not only on the area of the country or its natural resources, but it is also based upon the quality and quantity of human resource that contribute a lot to the economic development. The health, education, professional skills, and ambitions increase the productivity of the nation, and as a result, the country develops. This is done in order to take necessary measures. Census is mandatory in order to plan out country's 5 years development plan in regard to food, water, housing facilities, industries, electricity, employment, education and conservation. Nowadays, Forest Department keeps a record of endangered animals, birds and plants. Even domestic animals are counted. Now, an estimate of the population of India. The total land area of our country is 32,87,263 square kilometer, which is 2.42% of the world's total land area. Area-wise, India stands 7th in the world. More than 16% of the world's population lives in India. So, India stands second in terms of population after China. So, student, you can see the map given in your textbook about the India's population 2011. Now, qualitative human population is also called human resources. The quality of human resources depends on education and intelligence. Skilled citizens like doctors, educationists, engineers, sportsmen, industrialists, businessmen, farmer, artisans, laborers and other responsible citizens are the human resources. Children and youth are the potential resources. Now about the population growth. The population of India has increased by 18.1 crores in a decades between 2001 to 2011. However, the population growth rate has gone down, which is a noteworthy point. Moreover, there has been an increase in the number of literate, that is educated citizens. The population of India in 2001 was 102.87 crores, which has increased to 121.01 crores in the year 2011. This is a matter to worry about for the central government, and hence various policies and schemes have been launched to bring the population growth under control. Consequently, the rate of population growth has gone down by 1.7%. Now, student, for your knowledge, you can go through this chart showing the population growth rate of India. Now, I will explain the further topic in my next video. Thank you.